President Emerson Mnangagwa has once again painted a rosy picture of the economy, insisting that Zimbabwe is experiencing strong growth, even as many citizens continue to struggle with the rising prices, unemployment, and the deteriorating living conditions. Sanapena Mashkubdanyo Kachin's our economy is growing, declares Mnangagwa despite citizens worsening daily challenges. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Mzim Imobdanyo Kachin speaking at the burial of the late national hero Donald Selundi Chuma at National Heroes Acre in Harare on Wednesday. Mnangagwa presented an up an upbeat assessment of the country's economic performance, which contrasts sharply with the hardships faced by ordinary Zimbabweans. He claimed the economy is expanding and cited international institutions to back his position, saying, "Our economy remains resilient and continues to register growth, recording a 6.6% rebound in 2025. The positive trajectory and the recovery of our economy have also been confirmed by both the IMF and the World Bank. However, on the ground, many citizens continue to report worsening economic pressures, with incomes failing to keep up with the cost of basic goods and services." Mnangagwa also highlighted the reforms in key sectors such as mining and agriculture, presenting them as drivers of national progress, though critics argue that such gains have yet to meaningfully improve livelihoods of the majority. Despite these claims of progress, concerns persist about whether the benefits of these reforms are reaching ordinary people or remaining confined to official statistics and elite circles. The president further directed the remarks at young people, urging them to avoid criticism of state and instead focus on economic participation. Doma development zambuleta okupangwa ino inakomesa kuchemedudza fungulo enyi moti kudipa msolo pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like on the bell icon.